Hey, in this video, I will show you how to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat. It's quick and easy and you can do it on any iPhone and on any Android device, and I've updated this tutorial for 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. So what you want to do is actually go on Safari, Google Chrome, it doesn't matter, and type in support.snapchat.com. You can see the link above in my URL, support.snapchat.com. So from here, it says Snapchat support, and it's exactly what it does. It can help you unlock permanently locked Snapchats. So you want to go down and click on troubleshooting because that's what you have an issue with. Click on troubleshooting and then select the first option, login a new account troubleshooting. Here it is. We're clicking on it. So you can find a lot of solution here. And chances are you don't really need any of these solutions though. Your username and password, your internet connection, uninstalled, unauthorized apps, VPN, unroot, an Android device, reactivate deleted account, the Snapchat account may be locked. Here is what we have an issue with. So what you want to do is just need help with something else. Just click on yes, because you want to contact them. It will load a new page and you want to click on my account login, and then my account has been hacked or my account is locked, any of these ones. But if you select the my account was hacked, you can add in information. So this is what we should select for this example. So you want to type in your username, your email, your phone number, and explain the issue. You were locked out of your account. Explain why that happened, why you think that's a mistake, and within a few days, maybe 2 weeks, you'll get a reply. So be patient with it. Sometimes, especially during the pandemic, it might take a little bit longer, but it's worth the wait. You watched a video on how to do it. You probably want to know how to do it. So if you still have any issues, comment down below. I will try to help you out. If this worked for you, comment down below so other people can see it. If it didn't work, express your anger in the comment section so other people can see it as well. Like the video for the algorithm, because each like, as I said, helps out the channel a lot. And I want to see you in one of the next videos.